What's up? We're doing an oil change on a 2012 Honda Civic. I am Lawson. This is
Josh. I'm Aiden.
I'm Roger.
Let's get started. The first step in racking a car is to align the car with the racks so that it can be lifted safely into the air, allowing the oil change to start.
The car is lifted about a foot in the air and checked to see if it is stable. It is then raised to the desired height. The next step is to drain the oil pan. To do this, you need to remove the bolt from the oil pan and allow oil to flow out of the engine. It's then required that you remove the oil filter and let it drain for a little while into an oil pan.
Oh, now it's leaking even more oil. Let me do that now. Oh, great.
After successfully draining the oil, you'll want to add a new filter, making sure you've lightly lubricated the seal, and screw in and torque the oil drain bolt to the desired spec.
53 minutes and 52 seconds. We're not even done. So we've got over probably 120 minutes to put in by the end of the night. We've got 2 hours to put in.
After you finish with the oil, drain plug, and filter, it is time to lower the car. First you raise it off the locks, then release the locks on the hydraulic lift and lower the car slowly.
Now you want to complete your standard safety inspection, including topping off the wiper fluid and checking the engine bay for anything out of the ordinary. After lowering the car, you want to start adding in the new oil with a funnel to prevent spills on the engine bay.
When you do 4 oil changes, you have to do a 5th one for free. Oh yeah, no, it's off. It's off. There was something though.
The final step of the oil change is to place a sticker that has the information about when the next oil change should be, which is 3,000 miles or 3 months, whichever comes first.